So hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the various factors which is going to affect the product design. Product design generally means the conversion of concept or the ideas into a useful product. So that is the meaning of product design. So there are lots of factors which are going to affect the product design, and that factors can be economical one or that factors can be of technical one. So these are the major factors which are going to affect the product design. So the first factor is customer requirement. So the customer requirement is the most important factor generally which affect the product design, which says that there are various specifications and the expectation of the customers which has to be satisfied by the product. So the product designer should take care of that expectation and the specifications as desired by the customer. So this is very important factor that generally affect the product design. So we should take care basically what customer wants, what the need of the customer, and then we go for the design of any particular product. Second is production facilities. So production facilities generally means a production department generally should take care of all the available resources or the production facilities which is generally required to make that particular product or the design that particular product. So this is the factor which is directly proportional, you can say, to the simplicity of the design of the product. So as much we keep the production facilities as simple, as we keep our design of the product as simple, so that is going to affect the entire quality of the product. So we have to design our product in such a manner that should be simple. Even the production facilities which are available, that should be in simple in manner. Minimum production cost. This is the next factor which is going to affect the design of the product. Minimum production cost, as the name indicates, the cost is one of the most important factor that the company usually follow. So we have to design our product in such a manner that the production cost should be minimum, because there are lots of competitors available in the market. So we have to design our product at minimal cost that should be accepted by the customers. So based on the market strategies, based on the competitors, based on the available product in the market, we have to make our product at minimal cost. Next factor, we call it quality standard. So again, this is a very important factor. Standard are basically the set of rules and the guidelines which actually we have to follow. A manufacturing company, a production company, or a designer has to follow to make his own product. So this is one of the factor which generally decide the quality of the product. So we have to follow some quality policies for designing our product. For example, if I take like Mercedes-Benz, so this that is usually accepted by the people because of its reliability, because of its safety, because of its performance. So basically that has been very closely related to the quality standard. So we have to maintain the quality, we have to follow the policies related to the design. So next factor is infrastructure. So infrastructure generally means what are the available resources in the company, what are the available resources for a designer to make that product. It can be related to the machineries, it can be related to the tools, equipment. So infrastructure generally includes all the available resources that is going to affect the entire design of the product. So we have to, a designer should take care to ensure that the infrastructure should be proper, so that we can reduce, we can ensure the quality of the product. Also we can reduce the entire process of designing that particular product. So infrastructure is also one factor which is going to affect the design of the product. So next is raw material. So again, this is very important factor. A designer should have the knowledge of the materials which he is going to use for his product, to design for a particular product. So materials should be such that should be accepted by the functionality of the particular product. So whether a designer should have the knowledge of the different kind of materials, even the composite which he can use for the particular product, because there are so many factors which are generally affect this raw material part, like the cost, the quality, even the quality of the product, even the look of the product, like appearance, you can say, the pattern, the forms, textures, shapes. So these are the factors, which are the attributes which a designer should take care while designing his product. So he should have the proper knowledge of the material, which materials he should use so that the cost should be minimum. What are the materials that the competitors are using for that particular product? So he should do a market survey, he should do the research by selecting the material, because that is the factor which is going to affect the design of the particular product. So have the knowledge of the material part. Okay. So the next factor is product differentiation, because there are so many products which are available in the market for the same functionality. So what is the difference in your own product? So there should be proper difference for your particular product which you are going to design based on the availability of the product which are in the market, or based on the competitors which they are making the product. So there should be proper differentiation on your product related to the cost, related to the performance, related to the quality. There should be proper differentiation, that then only that product is going to be accepted by the market and accepted by the customer. So there should be proper differentiation of your product while designing that particular product. Distribution channel, now this is also very important factor which directly affect the cost of the product. Distribution channel means whenever we are going for the new product, so we have to take care, we have to ensure that the distribution channel is proper. If the distribution channel is not proper, if we are not able to distribute our product to the customer or to the market, that is going to affect the distribution cost. If you are not having the knowledge of distribution factors, so definitely that is going to affect the distribution cost, and ultimately that is going to affect the entire cost of the product. So distribution, so the designer should take care of the distribution channel when he is going to launch any new product in the market. He should do the market survey basically. So when that is going to decide when you have to launch that particular product to the market. So distribution channel is very important here. So last is existing products. So there are lots of products which are already existing. So whenever you are going to launch a new product, so that should not affect the existing product which are already available. So example, if you are launching a low level product in the market, so it is not going to affect the high level, which are high quality product which are already available in the market. So you have to take care of this factor also. That should not affect the existing product. So these are the major factors which are going to affect the product design. Like again, I am just concluding the entire class lecture. Like the customer requirement, we should take care of the customer satisfaction. Production facilities, a designer should ensure that the design should be simple, and that is only possible when the production facilities is going to be simple. Minimum production cost, we have to take care of the cost. We have to design in such a manner that the cost should be minimum for our design. Quality standard, we have to maintain the quality policies while designing our product. Infrastructure, we have to take care of all the availabilities like resources related to machineries, tools, and the various other resources, so that we can design our product in a very easy manner. Raw material, we have to take care of the material part. We have to have the knowledge of various types of material which is available to design our product. Product differentiation, we have to keep our product different from the competitors basically. So we have to differentiate our product with the other available product of the existing product. Distribution channel should be proper, and the existing product we have to take care of our existing product.